Okay, so I'm back with the Hoover Turbo Power 6000 power drive. So anyways, I found out that it runs, but it sounds horrible. So I had the 6-gallon rigid out to avoid jump scares. I turned that on first and then I turned that on next. But anyway, I'll show you how it sounds. It's gonna be loud, so please turn down your volume. It sounds like a beat up Bissell Power Force. Here. I wonder if it picks up anything. The brush turn. Brush turns. Maybe the motor needs to be replaced. I don't think this thing is gonna be worth fixing. So might just do a part salvaging process. But if I can get this thing working, I'll let y'all know. So anyways, see you then.